Hi, welcome to this new video tutorial in Blender. Today I'm going to show you how you can add and delete objects in Blender. And here I will emphasize more on understanding the difference of add and deletion that exists in different modes. Without a further ado, let's go to Blender. Let it come up, and here is our welcome window. We select any area here. Yeah, when preparing to add or delete anything, when preparing to do any add or delete operation in Blender, is important to know in which mode we are. If you want to add or delete an object in objects mode, the object will behave differently. So without a further ado, let's get started. So in order to add an object, we can either go here to add, then match. For example, which object you want to add. You want to add a cube. Then we have a new cube here. You have cube, the original one, and cube 01. And in order to see that one here, we can go to move. Here, move here. This is our second cube that has been added. We can also go here, same here, and add this monkey and move it back. Here you have our monkey here, head here. So that is it. So then after we have our objects here, we can delete them. Before moving, you can also press shift, I think shift A, yeah, to bring this add menu for adding objects. You can either go here, you can use the shortcut shift A to do the same. Now in order to delete the objects, but we are going to go back to select here. If you select this object, in order to delete it, press X on our keyboard, key X. Then we got the confirmations if we want to delete it or not. Then we say yes, then it's deleted. Same things go here. We can also use the key delete key of our keyboard, then it's deleted directly without needing a confirmation. So that's how we add and delete an object in object mode. Now we are going to do the same thing in edit mode. So here we select the objects and we go to edit mode, and here you can see now the object is appearing differently here. As I showed you in my previous video, you have the edges, you have the vertices, you have edges here, vertice, this corner, and the faces. So remember, vertex is the edge, is the corner, and this line here between two vertices is the edge, and the face is between four edges or four vertices. Then now, if you select out, and suppose that you want to delete here, you want to delete a vertex, then we go to shift C, shift. If you click on shift, one vertex will be selected. Then if you press this one now, then vertex you will add here if you want to delete the vertex. So if you select here, that vertex is deleted, but while deleting the vertex, you can notice that all the connected edges and faces to that vertex are deleted. We go to Ctrl Z, go back, and now suppose that we press shift and select 4 vertices. Here our face is selected. Now if you want to delete those 4, we press again on X. You want to delete all the highlighted edges. Here the same thing is going here. So the vertices are not deleted, but all the edges, 4 edges are deleted, and when the edges are gone, the faces connected, related faces connect to those edges are also deleted. But faces are deleted, but vertices are not deleted. You can see it by yourself. We go to Control Z again, right? We can also do, there are many things that you will be able to do here. We create again on shifts, select everything, then X. Here only face, here only the face is deleted. Our edges, connected edges and vertices remain there. Now you can see the bottom face of this cube that's there behind. If we go again to Control Z, we have our initial objects. We may do certain things like this one. We may use this one like loop cut. Loop cut here. How do you do that? To make the loop cut, we come here, select this one, and come here. We split our object into 2, right? And now if we go back to and try to press shift, select, we want to select this face. Right now we can press X, and here H delete, loop delete. The whole thing is deleted, but that's not what we wanted to do. We want to be able to select only, we press the face, right? We want to delete the face. Now we go again to here and delete face. That face is deleted. If we go back and press again X, and here we go to H loop. Now you can see that while deleting the face, the half of the objects where we put our cut is deleted. So this is what I wanted to see here. If we click again here and put again the second loop here, cut, and select again this, do again shift, deselect everything, go to selections here, shift, that face is selected. We try to do again loop cut. Here you can see how only that small block of the cube is deleted. So this is a bit how you can do the add and deletions in Blender using different modes. I hope that you got the essence of what I wanted to, the message that I wanted to pass here. I don't want to go too much into detail, otherwise you become boring. But here is how you do those manipulations in Blender, and after that you can always undo everything with Ctrl Z, go back to our initial objects, right? We go back to our mode here. Yeah, that is it. So I hope that this other video tutorial has been useful to you, and now you will be able to add and delete stuff in Blender while taking care of the mode, while keeping in mind the mode in which you are. So if you have any comments, do not hesitate to drop it, and it's the first time that you visit my channel, feel free to subscribe and stay tuned for the next video tutorial. That's it. Bye.